Come here, kid. I'm not gonna hurt you, you little freak. Now we got him.
Oh, good. The cops. She went down way.
What the? Yeah.
What are you doing?
Okay, folks, calm down. Everything's all right. The monster's been caught. We'll repair all the damage. Don't worry, we will have our race before the arcade opens.
There's no way that I am racing with a glitch. Francis, Camelot, come on.
Hammerville, that glitch cannot be allowed to live. And bring that thing to my castle.
Guys, she